morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, April 1st. Attention Drama Club members, keep selling candy, but please turn in the candy money you have collected. Also, Drama Club would like to thank everyone who supported them in the production of Footloose. Thank you for helping to make it a great show. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Prom ticket sales will begin this Friday. Tickets for juniors and guests are $40, and for seniors it is $10. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Jenny. Tonight, girls JV and varsity softball will be at home against Du Bois at 5. Come support your Lady Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Aiden with your weather report.
Thank you, Joni. As you can see, we have no chance of rain today. For your weather today, we have a high of 51 and we have a low of 32. Heading into the beginning of your week, we have a high of 59 and a low of 39 on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we have a high of 66 and a low of 48. Back to you, Joni.
Attention seniors, please bring in 1 baby photo and 5 pictures to Mrs. Nichols or Madison Collins by this Wednesday. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.